Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
From Technical Options Traders Inc. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm here to bring you guys a quick segment about the profits that I made today and just to kind of highlight my thought process behind the profits and what I did to enter and exit. So I'm going to start with NVIDIA here. So I know you guys must have heard that NVIDIA announced a stock split this morning. It was under the news. So we had a huge, buying pressure here in the morning. And as you can see, it came to like 610 price range, but it failed to hold it. So that was very interesting for me. If it went above 610, I think it had a good opportunity to run. But anyway, so this is a 1-minute chart on an NVIDIA. Right in the morning, it had a little bit of a pullback here, so below the pre-market low. If you guys seen any of my previous videos, I do talk about how I trade the pre-market low and the pre-market high. Today I kind of broke my rule, but I'll explain why. So if you see NVIDIA, it went below the pre-market low, second candle confirmation here, could have gone lower. As you can see, it did go lower here. But what I traded was these levels here, okay? So I see NVIDIA went lower, failed to go lower here right in the morning. Buyers did step in here. It went above the 9-day EMA and the VWAP here. Next candle close was also higher than the VWAP. I got in right about here in the morning, and I got out right about here because as I saw the tape, there was a lot of sellers that were coming in. So I exited my position, made a really small profit, and I got out. And it's a good thing I did get out, because if I held my calls throughout the day, you guys see how this position would have won against me, very fast. The other position that I traded today was Tesla. So Tesla, the play I had on it was actually an overnight play. So as you can see, my entry was overnight. It was here at this level. The market was pushing higher. So I was very confident that if the market kept pushing higher, there's a high probability that Tesla could gap up in the morning above the 600 range. My support on Tesla was 584. That was my support level. As long as that held, I was confident that Tesla could go higher. So I had 5 options contracts at this point. As you can see here, it went above 600, it went to 604, unfortunately failed here, and then continued to come down below the VWAP, unable to get out. So what I did was I looked at the pre-market options levels, and at 929 approximately, and when the bids were coming in, I just basically got out at market. I made a decent profit still. As you can see, if I held on to my positions, I would have lost money, or I would have been at break even. So it was a calculated move on Tesla here. Also, everyone's beloved GME. So I traded GME because of just my trading style. Pre-market high, pre-market low. As you can see, GME broke the pre-market high, had a very good volume in the morning. As you can see here, buyers were stepping in. It was continuously holding the 9-day EMA. And as you can see, this was, for me, this pullback right here was a flag pattern. This was my entry point at this level when this candle broke this previous wick. So as you can see, quick little move up. I scalped this move and I got out right about here. I know I could have gotten higher, but I like to take profits as I see them. And I just got out right about here, took my profits, and got out. As you can see, once again, these markets are reversing very, very fast. So you have to have your entries and exits very tight. There is a probability of stocks running in your favor, but right now, choppy markets, I'm not confident in holding my positions for the long term. So another position I'm going to talk about is Boeing. Boeing, same trading style, pre-market high. As you can see here, pre-market low was all the way down here. So as you can see in the morning, it did come down a little bit. So it formed like a flag pattern here, went below it, and it crossed above the 9-day EMA and the VWAP, and it held it. So when it broke that level right here, when this level broke, I knew to get in. I let it ride for a little bit, and I basically exited my position right about at the beginning of this candle. So when this started to push higher, I just got out. because I was making a decent profit. So when I do see a decent profit, I like to get out because the possibility of reversals in Boeing are very high. If you just have a look, in Boeing's chart, it does go up, come back down, and that's just Boeing, how it's been trading for like a long time now. Okay, those are some of the trades that I took today. I just quickly covered. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please, like on our YouTube channel. And if you guys want to see some other content, let us know. We'll be more than happy to play, get it for you.